discussed about HTML table structure. What is meant by table? The table is a collection of rows, where row is a collection of columns. You can say generally table is a collection of rows and columns. You can say, but actually the table will form with rows. Then row is forming with columns. Okay, if there is no row means there is no column. Where you will keep the column is in the row. Where you will keep the row is in the table. So that's the reason we will give you that kind of definition. So what was the reason go behind the table? Yes, to get a homogeneous structure and to represent the data in a very neat manner. That's what the main intention of the table. So what are the examples? I have told you, like when we are standing on the chair. Okay, that's if you are assembling for chair. Just one best example and one more is like if you are seeing the mathematics table. Okay, that is also something. If you see two, for example, if you go for two tables, okay, then two into one. It will be in a very hard, vertically or horizontally. If you go for table, it will be very neat. And exam results. If you go for exam results, your name, math, physics, chemistry. So like that, everything will be shown in a structured way to represent to recognize the data in a very neat manner. Okay. So yesterday we have seen how to represent the data by using tables. And I have told you one more thing also. How to make the columns. Why? What's the reason to go for matching in the sense? Tell me. I told you the reason. Matching in the sense, if somewhere if you don't have data, then if you want to show some same data for the two tables, then you can go for two pages means go for match. Row means in both rows, one of the column you want to have as a common name. Okay, then in such case we will go for row span. When doing row span or column span, you are doing on the column. So in such situation you should use for row span. If you are doing the row span for two columns, row span equal to 2, and the other alternate column within the other row should be removed. In the form, while doing the column span, you need to, if you are doing column span for two columns, the first column for that you need to give column span equal to 2, the second column you should remove. So what is table tag? Table in a table. Here, what about table row? Here in row. Okay, what is column is CD. We will represent with CD. So now I will go for HTML inner table. HTML or HTML, anything you can do. So when you tell me the structure, is it mandatory to write? No. You can just remove. You can write there in there. I told you about the structure. So then what are the advantages of going for the table structure means? The performance will be very faster in the case of internet website. In your local, you don't need to go for HTML head body. It's not at all needed. Okay, but what is the advantage if you go for the structure means? I told you already. Browser is a platform which will convert the text into the design. So in that situation, it will be first looking for the HTML head body structure. If whatever is available in the body, then it will convert into the design. If not, imagine the structure is not there, then what browser will do now? First it will take for HTML head body. If body is not at all there, then it will come to the entire, it will come to the page and it will get entire code into the body. It will get entire code into the body. So which will be faster if you follow the structure, then you may save microseconds. 1 microsecond. If you calculate like microseconds in a very big internet application, it will become hours. Because we will waste that much of our that much of time. Okay, we will delay in serving the application. You can take for each and every user 1 or 2 microseconds in the normal system. If it is in internet, it may just slow down for 20 seconds, 20 microseconds or something. It will slow down. Are you understanding? So to avoid that one, we will follow the HTML head body. What is the use of head means? Head will be containing the information about the page. Okay? Title tag we have used. Okay, now without that all we can work. But anyway, we will show. Just for reason I have told HTML is there are free programming language. Okay, I will go for here. And we need some structure, then you need to send the solution for that one. Okay. Brand details, I'll just mix up one more. Account number, main account number, salary, account number. Are you understanding? So imagine this will be fitting into this table. Are you understanding? Okay, it will be fitting into table. Maybe you may see some gap between these two, correct? So imagine these two are fitted. See, without table also you can write the design, right? Bank, the other bank name, break, branch, value, branch, break, again IFSC code, value, break, you can use. What was the disadvantage of that one? If any one of the parameters is big, no? Okay, it won't, the design will be, not in a structured way, it will be. You can go for div also, but what will happen? There will not be any structured relation between all of the columns. The column, okay, this one, salary details. Something I will write here. Here I just write without table, what will happen? Gross salary. Like this, we will have multiple employees. Are you understanding? Then, how to form this one? Tell me how many rows and how many columns? 4 or 3 columns, or any number of rows will get it. Okay, for your information, as of now we have seen table CR CD. That's it, right? Now I am going to introduce CH. What is the CH? I will tell you. Let me go for CD. How many CD? How many CD? 3 CD. Can you access this functionality by call scan? Yeah, there is nothing to nice here. We can't access this one by call scan. Then what is the alternate means? You should go for inner table transfer. Okay, we have seen the example for this showcase board yesterday. Okay, we can go for inner table transfer, right? Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Yesterday I have told 4 rows, you get 9 zeros. Now I will tell you in other way. What is the term? 4 rows, only 2 columns. Or 4 rows, 1 column only. Are you understanding? 4 rows, 1 column only, imagine. Then, coming to first row, how many columns we are seeing? 2. In such situation, all are having single column only. In the first row, single column, take one more inner table, 1 row, 2 TD. Coming to second one, take inner table, 1 row, 3 columns. Coming to third one, again 1 column under that 1 table, 2 columns. The same way, table, 3 columns. You can do like that. Are you understanding? So there are a lot of alternate ways. You should find out the right way. So for this we will go for the development. So how many TD? 3 TD. Is it compulsory to write the structure in this way only? No. You can write all in a single line. But this is for our better understanding. I'm just keeping table here. Under the tip you get one more. Because it will be very neat to understand. If you want to change something in the future, if it is in a single line or in a clumsy manner, you need to find out. Okay, it will take more time. But if you have the structure, then you can see table, inner table, under inner table, like that. So it's not stopping only one inner table you should have. Table, inner table, under that you can have inner table, under that you can have inner table. Any number of inner table you can have. Are you understanding? So such kind of things we can have. Okay, next. What are the two observations I have told while creating a table? You should use TD equal to top or anything, whatever you want. One more thing is, if you are using empty TD, at least you should give one space. I am circle ND SP. So first I will go for employee name. Second one is bank detail, private sample. Then insert, okay, now we should have equal number of rows and columns, right? This or not? I just copy this. So here I am writing some. Okay, bank details. Coming to here, I will tell you the first. Okay, salary details also I will tell you. So let me write it like this for multiple employees. If you are not understanding, let me know. Okay. Maybe I am little faster here because we have seen yesterday the table DRTD. There is nothing to discuss more on this. Looking like this. So what we can do for making it to show in a better way, first go for, instead of border, even without border also something we can do, like that, then spacing. So instead of then spacing, what we can give, then padding equals something I am giving 15, not anything we can do. Where is it right now? Okay, I'm just increasing the space. To give you a better idea, we will go for to give better readability. So avoid this one, what we should do? What is this one? Cell spacing. Internally it is taking some 1 or 2. So that you need to avoid how? Cell spacing equal to V. And if you want to increase the size, then what you need to do? I want to increase the size. This is equal to from 400 pixel you can give. Even you can give 40%. Means entire page will be treated as 100% width. Among that one, how much you want to occupy, you can occupy. So I am just giving 400 pixels. Is it compulsory to use this double protection? No, you can use single protection, or even you can neglect that one. Increase that one. Okay? And you know how to change the font color and all. Which are not font you can use font type. I don't want to do without doing, I want to use the font size. 20 pixels. Then I am not ending. Okay. Instead of family, you can use page. Will be color as well. Color, what is the black color? 000. Even you can go for 3333 or 444. It's a shade from the black. Okay. So what is the tag? Font, size, space, color. If you want Vandana or something, you can change. If you want calibri, you can change. Everything is on your telling. So I default Times New Roman default. Okay. Calibri. Now you can. Increase the size. Something went wrong somewhere. Elevate the area. In aerial case, it is very even instead of pixel, what you can do, these points also you can. Something wrong? Yes. Like this we can say. Okay, let's zoom. Okay. So now what I need to talk here? Band debate. Okay. So what I will do? Just I will go for salary first. Salary will write. Then we will see what are the disadvantages of salary. Then why you should keep that one in the table. Yesterday we talked, correct? So what should be so gross salary? So if I give enter, will it take enter in the detail? No, it will not take. Okay, it can here. Nothing can. Just put done. I understand it? Okay. Now, I will tell you one thing. See, it is adjusting along with the state, but I want to fix it. Do people understand? I want to fix. How I want to fix now? Each and every string should have unique width. Then what you can do now? Go for one page. First row you can specify what, even in header you can specify what width equal to, what is the equalness in the 100%? So 3, that is 3.3%, correct? Yes or no? That is 3.3%. No matter whether it is containing data or not. Okay? Automatically, if it is more means what is happening is coming to the next line. Did you see? Okay. Now, because of this, what will happen? There was no proper structure. There are no gross salary. Okay. I will give just break for your information. After gross salary, break. One break. Two break. Is it looking good? No, it's not coming in a proper way. There is no proper structure. Okay, for better readability, I will just increase the width to 16. Okay, now you can see is it equal? Is it containing the equalness in the data representation? No. Gross salary, you can see it is reduced. It is not in a proper structure. That's what the disadvantage of not going for table. Okay. Now if I go for same thing with the table, what will happen then? Okay, this is what inner table concept. For your information, whatever you want to write in table, where you should write? Yes, very good. Under TD. If I write after here, what is happening? Is it taking under the control of table? No. Yes. Whatever you want to write, you should write. If you need to change some PD or PR also, that is your table will not represent properly. This is not the right way to write. Whatever you want to write, you should make sure that you are writing in the PD. Okay, so this what I will do is take it in the table. Table. Okay, for this better readability on the PD in the table. Here. PD. This PD. How many PDs I want? 2 TD, 3 rows. Am I correct or not for this 3? 2 TD, 3 rows. So what I can do, I can just copy paste, gross salary. Now we don't want this unnecessary break, right? Yes or no? You can see the readability. The table here is in the PD, in the table. Now you will understand it is in a better way, right? Okay, that's why I have written like this. Okay, under the TR, P. Now if you look, you can see all are in equal structure, right? Okay, but it is not having border. So what you can do? Border is equal to. So again, what you need to do? Self adding, self spacing you need to. Self adding, I will use it 5 with them. Okay, but it should adjust, right? It should fit into the table. Yes or no? It should not look like another sub table. Are you understanding how to make this one? First I told you already what is the Now, V-align equal to first. You need to first get that one into top. V-align equal to top. Okay, let it next. Here it is having spacing, right? This is what causing the problem. If I give 0, then sitting. Don't worry, I will tell you how to avoid this also. Okay? It's sitting. Next. Width, you just mention it as width equal to 100%. 100% of what? This PD. Yes, this PD, not the top table. You see now? It's fitted or not? So padding is, don't worry about padding. Okay, even we can avoid the padding. Are you understanding that we are specified style sheet? Is it clear? Okay. Now, imagine I'm just writing in on that. Okay, don't worry about this. Why it is giving me? Because of the padding which is given for the table. So it's also PD, top 10, left, right, bottom it is placing as 10 pixels. Are you understanding? Can we avoid this one and can we make this? Yes. How many? I'll tell you. Okay, this is in style sheet, but for your understanding purpose I am telling you. This is CSS here. This is not normal code. This we will see day after tomorrow. Now what I have done for entire table is 7, 10 pixels. Clockwise, top, right, bottom, left. For every line is taking 10 pixels. But for particularly this column, I have avoided the, you understand, I have avoided the border. Okay, now one more thing. This border becomes more thick, right? Yes or no? Can I avoid this? Yes. How many? This is also big. CSS. Why the border becomes thick here? The TD border as well as the stable border. Both are overlapping. Now you can see it become very less, right? Earlier it was more thick. Now it becomes. Okay, like this we can able to use the inner table. Now, if you remove this border equal to 1, if you use this one, what is the problem now? This is coming here. So here is an alternative. While preparing your resume, you may face the same problem. So for that I have alternative. I will introduce one more. CD is big. Do people understand? Okay, now what you can do, you can go to here and you can remove the bar. But you may be thinking this is not table, but it is a table also. I just remove the border also for better readability. If I give border also no problem, but sometimes it will look more ugly. Are you understanding? Okay. Now in the same way for bank details, will you tell me? Yeah. How many rows? First of all, what you need to use? GD, VLN equal to. What is this one? Vertical align. Okay. Just have it. Here, how many rows? 4 rows. Okay. That's it. Now, for this we can use that one we will see later. What's in the next thing? Why I am more confident in table means table is the control which will make your design like homogeneous structure. If you go for any website, that the website you can divide into table blocks, here, okay. Now if you go on this, you can see it is adjusted the whatever may be that one. Are you understanding? Okay. So now I will just remove this 33%, 33%, this one. Then what will happen? If I fix, it will fix it. If anything is coming extra, then it will send to the next line. Now see, it is automatically adjusted. Okay. First one earlier had 33%. Now it becomes reduced. First one become reduced because these two are occupying the weight. Okay. Then you want to fix it. If you want the data to be fixed on that one way, then you go. Or give it automatically to adjust. Without, don't specify the weight, automatically it will adjust. Now, this is not fitting 100% right, this in the table. If not, you can see only this because it's in the, it is having the padding. So what we need to do, we need to avoid the padding, right? So how to avoid the padding? Here, style padding. What is this one? This is top, in clockwise, top, left, top, right, bottom, left. And you need to specify width. $100% of the second column. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, why it becomes 100% now? You haven't specified the width, so it's automatically taking. So specify at least something. Not like this. 20%. Imagine 20%. 40%. Now finally it became 100, right? Okay, now 40. You can give 25. It's your wish, however you want to, differentiate the 25, 45. So automatically it starts. I should not give this width here. I should give. Because one more thing I will tell you. I want to give height for CD, or I want to give width for CD. Do I need to specify in each and every row CD? First thing, width. I am talking about width. I want to give width for CD. Okay, so I am specifying in 1 TR. So one of the CD I given. So do I need to copy that one and do I need to give for each and every CD in each and every row? Not there. Because it will take you the what is the biggest size one that will be taken as width for all other categories. The same way, height. Height is not for column. Height is for row. No matter. You can see here the height is small. Here height is big. So it's not depending on the column. Height is depending on the row. You can see the column in this row, all are taking the same height as even this one is not occupying the entire area, but it is even taking the height this much height. So it means the height is depending on the row. I mean nothing but the major height of a column will be the height of the entire row. See the principle here. The major height of a column or the maximum height of a column will become the height for each and every column in the row. Next, the max width of a column, okay, the max width of a column or CD will become width of the entire columns in a column. Are you understanding? This is width I am talking about. Width. For entire column it will become. You can observe here nothing you have, but even though it is containing that much width, right, because of this principle. Okay, one more thing is the max height of a column will become height for all columns in the row. So while specifying the width, you no need to specify for each and every table CD. That's the reason I have specified here. But I am specifying here everywhere? No. Now see, occupied part 3. 25%, 45, 30%. Now here. Now for better readability, I will give border 45%. Okay. Now what you need to do is just give you self-spacing. I am giving is it here? So like this you can adjust this all. Okay. Next. One more kind of homework I will give, okay? Then you need to tell me the structure. I am not expecting the result. You need to tell me how many rows and how many columns. No, not this one. I have given student number. Okay. This we have seen yesterday, correct? This we have seen yesterday. Now what I will do, just see. Imagine you have border here. Okay. Now, tell me how can I do this development? Here you should go for the writing about yourself. Blah, blah. Are you understanding? Just write it. Okay. Now tell me how many rows and how many columns. Okay, next. 2 rows, 4 columns. Okay. Second to first row, how you will differentiate? Three columns, 10. First 3 columns, 10. The other one you are getting. Okay. Then coming to second one, last 2 you are getting. Very good. Okay, very simple. So in substitution you need to understand one thing. You need to specify the width for each and every row. Without width you cannot specify, if you do measuring now, it will come to somewhere. You need to specify first row width can be some 20%, second row width can be 30%, 25, first row can be 25, second row can be some 30, so it's something like 55. What is left on 100? 45. Among the 45, you can specify third row width as some 10, other one as 35. Okay, then only this will come exactly here. Or else, if you are feeling difficulty about that width or something, if you get confused, then what you can do, you can go for 2 rows, 1 TD. Imagine 2 rows, 1 TD. Are you understanding? Or else 2 rows, 2 TD. Coming to second row, make TD constant equal to 2. Are you understanding what I am telling? 1 table, 2 rows, 2 TD. First TD width is 80%, second TD width is 30%. So you know need to do anything in the first row. Coming to second row, I will do TD constant equal to 2. So it will become 1 column. Under that I will go for inner table. Are you understanding? Inner table, TR, and how many TD? 3 TD. First TD 20%. This is rest of the thing you can split it into 2. 75 you can split it into 2. So like this you can go. Even you can take that okay, for anything. Okay, you can go ahead. So before going to write anything, I told you already, first what you need to do, you need to draw the structure in the book. Then only go for the doing the HTML. Because if you are not doing like that now, if you miss out one small TD, your work will be destroyed. Are you understanding? If you miss out one TD up here from the ending or starting, then the structure will not come in properly. First prepare the structure, then in the TD go on write structure. So the best way is, I told you, write the structure in the book and write the code in the HTML. Don't write any inner content. Give border equal to 1, then your page will come something right. Okay, I will tell you. I am removing all content. Okay, so for better readability, what you can do, I told you, don't leave the CD as the subject. What you should do, one page. This is called what? Page. So like prepare the structure. Don't keep the data until unless you got the right structure. Otherwise, what will happen now? Maybe whatever you have written in the inner content maybe disturb your design. Don't go for development first. Go for architecture. Keep the, okay, even I am talking about this also. Remove all, but keep the structure live. If you feel the structure is correct, then go for 3D and keep whatever you want. It will make your work easier. Now see, I will make this. First make the page right. First make your page like this. Okay? Are you understanding? Then you keep whatever you want. Your webpage has a structure. Where your navigation will be somewhere, your top navigation will be somewhere, your photos will be somewhere. So you first visualize what was there before the design. Are you understanding what I am telling? Yesterday I have told Facebook.com. I have visualized like what was the width, what was the width, what was the height. So all I have visualized. Like that you should visualize yourself. Whatever may be the business. Okay? I will give you some homework. Certainly I will tell you. So you have understand about table, right? Okay, now I will tell you list. What is the concept of list? What is list? I will tell you. See, last week, in the last before class, we have discussed about HTML inner link type. What is that? Inner page. So here, to write this, Goa OT Mysore, what I am doing? I am using 1 dot Goa break, 2 dot OT break, 3 dot Mysore break. This is not at all right way you should follow. Because if you have 10 places, are you going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that manually? No, it should automatically adjust because I will tell you. Today I am having 1 to 10 in numeric. Tomorrow I may need to change it to the Roman, small Roman or capital Roman. Then are you going to change again? Capital Roman 1, capital Roman 2. Are you going to change? It will waste our lot of time, right? So it should be dynamic. So for that one, we will use the concept of list. List. What is list means? List is useful to represent the data in a sequence or non-sequence. I'll tell you what is non-sequence. What is list means? List is useful for representing the data in a sequence or non-sequence manner. Sequence in the sense ABCD, capital ABCD. Are you understanding? Then small Roman, capital Roman, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I want to start from C, CQR, LMNOP. Are you understanding? So like that, some order I want to follow. Or I want to start from 100, 101, 102. Like that all I need to do. So if you have 100 countries, I want to represent all 100 countries. Or some 40 countries I want to represent. Are you going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, 500? No, don't write. Maybe tomorrow I need to change it to some other order from 5 not 1 to something. Or some other thing I want to do. Okay, that is non-sequence. Non-sequence in the sense, I want to show data by bullet. I want to show the data with stars. Stars here we cannot do, but we should copy paste. I need to show the circle or square or something like that. So, okay, in such situation we will go for non-sequence list. There are 2 types of lists. sequence list, not sequence list. Sequence list we will call in technically order list. It will have a specific order list. Then what about non-sequence we will call in HTML unordered list. There is no specific order on it. Okay? So that two we will develop now. Now I am going to change this one however you want. Open it. Not there. Where it is here, right? 1, 2, 3 manually is written, but I will show you below that one. I will take the paragraph. See how it will look like. So what I want to do, I want to show ordered one, right? 1, 2, 3 means sequence or order. Yes or no? So how to, okay, each and everything is called as a list item. I have 10 items in a list. But each and every item will be item on the list, right? So that we will indirectly call a list item. See, no matter whether ordered or another list, whatever you have under that is called a list item. So that we will represent by using a tag in HTML called li. Li means list item. So how many I want here? 3 here, correct? What you want to have? Ordered or unordered? Ordered. So that's your wish. Ordered. Now go over. Just click on copy only forward. Copy. Did I given the sequence? No. Order list have given is automatic sequence. Okay. Now it needs to have hyperlink, right? Yes or no? Anchor tag. Close it. I want to how to give, just cut down this. Now what I have done, I just made it like this. Now this will work. Okay, don't worry about the sequence. Okay, now I want to represent in capital Roman here. Then just use capital. You will see what happens. It becomes capital. Now I want to show in small. Then give. I want to show numeric means just give. If you give 1 or if you are not giving 1 also automatically, what is the default behavior of this one is type equal to 1. Then I want to show in small ABCD. I want to show in capital ABCD. Or else I want to show AA, AB, AC like that. Then start with coming alphabet 26. Wait a minute. Start, not start, start. You know it, alphabets are from A to Z, 1 to 26. After 26, what will come? 27, 26. So it's nothing but AA, AB. After 52, what will come? 2, 3. A10. Yeah, BA. A is completed. Next BA, BB, BC. Like that. So we view 53. It will give you right. BA, BB, BC. Like that. After the third order is PA, PB, BC. Like that it will be. Okay. And if you give 1 and if you want to start with some 100. Imagine the code of the country is 100. 100. So like that, whatever the frequencies are, for all it will apply. So this is called list item. So now can I make it by bullet? Simple, yes. Give list item is list item. How is it? Are you understanding? Only OL I have changed to UL. Here there is no start. The start is there, but there is no start because it is not having sequence. Yes or no? So you can ignore start. Yes or no? Then type is there. I want fire. This is circle, right? Whatever you have seen, circle. Fire. One more is more. Sorry, whatever we have seen earlier is this. The circle, what it will give me is the circle. There is only 3 types. But if you want like MS Office, star and mark, you should copy it. There was no option. By default there is only 3 types. One is this, fire, circle. By default, what is the type? Bit. What about the default type for order list? 1. Default type. If you are not specifying any type for order list, what is bit? 1 to 3. Nothing but the default type equal to 1. Are you understanding? So what is the difference you have seen between order list and order list? Order list will have a sequence. You can show in alphabet, you can show in numeric, you can show in Roman letters. And you can specify where it starts. Start equal to. For all alphabet, even for the Roman also you can specify the start. Coming to another list, there is no start option because it is not following the sequence. It will not follow sequence. So what it will have? Only type it will have. What is the by default type for the another list means this. Giving all black, right? Okay, and one more option is square will have, one more is circle. These 3 we can have. So this is how we can develop the list. In both cases, what we have seen as common list item, LI is the common item. Yes or no? Okay. Next, what we have seen up to now, we have discussed about HTML inner table and we have seen the list. Now I will tell you meta tag. What is meta tag? As up to now, where we are writing the all page information. Okay, now tell me again. What is head? What is body? Head is, I will tell you the definition. Head is the container which will be used to discuss about the page. And it will contain some settings about the page. Settings we will see going forward. You need to understand what is head means. Head is a container which will be used for discussing about the page and to maintain the settings of the page. So we will see description today. Title we have already seen. Yes or no? Okay. In my page. What is the use of title? To describe what of the page contains. So what was the advantage of this giving the title? What was the advantage of giving the title? I have told you 2 advantages. One is it will be very clear that what this page contains. It will describe about the page. Second one is in Google search results, if you search, this title will available. Yeah. Now I am searching. I will click Pro and just searching. Okay. Meanwhile, let me go for another tab. What is given? Yes, something, correct? Wipro IT services. Nothing but the website is wipro.com only. How come this title have came in the same? They would have given the title for the page as this. It can be big or small, whatever may be. I will show you within this. You can see, check it from now. Whatever was here, that was only given. Right click, if you go forward, you can see what was the title they have given. Title and title. This is big count. Next, one more thing. See, these people see one thing. Under that type, it have given some other information. Wipro deliver IT services. Okay, nothing but where it will be now. The tag name is meta tag. Meta tag. What is meant by metadata? Yes, data about data. What? In the sense, very simple. It's a simple description about the large concept. Wipro, they will do lot of businesses, but in CA you need to tell something right about the Wipro. That's nothing but metadata. Are you understanding what they have written? In the meta they have written what Wipro delivers IT services, something they have told. That is only came here. So there is lot of advantages of using the head, not only for giving the title in the business perspective to attract the client. Are you understanding? For example, I am going for online research. So what it has, how come this result is have there? There is a lot of things. If I go from Paytm, if you see within the description, data on the description also will come. This is called search engine optimization. Okay, Google search engine optimization. So based on the content what you are giving to your page only, search engine will take that one for the search. See, it will not, if you develop a website, will it immediately come on to your Google search result? I have developed a happy solution. It is not came immediately after 1 week also. After people keep searching, okay? Are you understanding? Then the results have came into the Google. That will be also made by search engine optimization. There is some engine which will do the search. So how search engine is making that one available in the Google search? Actually, search engine is a very good application there. That have very value. Because like customers need to know about some product. In such situation, what is the base for all people? Google. So if it needs available, it needs to Google me, you should have more search. Then you can do one thing. How come this Paytm only came on the top on the online research? Yes, many people have searched for that one. Alternatively, how the links how can you can get one down. If I give online research, how come only that is coming in? Many people have viewed that page where the description is containing online research. They are not rating based on the number of structures. You are correct, rating only internally. As for the top ranks it is coming. Rating only we can say. Okay, but that is based on the search. How many times you have searched? Based on that, the Google is already search. Okay, so if you want your business also to be available in the Google search, what will help you out? Title, not only title, keywords, especially keywords. This will, okay, how I will tell you is, here I am giving Paytm. You can see even these people have given what they have given. If you search on the Google Consulting, Lot of companies are coming rather than the Wipro. But definitely Wipro will be available within this list. It will definitely contain. But why it is why it is not showing it? The such results are not more. Okay, let's see Wipro. It came, but it was not that much searched by the people. So it's nothing but very simple. Yes. Okay, I have developed HirePick solution. Okay, I will go for I will write HirePick. I will show you. I have done for my project. So what you need to concentrate on the head means two things. Title, metadata. Title is useful for showing the result. While giving the result, it needs to show some title. Second one, how the search will be happening means either by this, only by keyword, not by description or title. Those are useful to showcase your title and description of your business. Then how search will happen? Based on the keywords of your based on the keywords what you are writing, ఇది keywords. Keywords మనం కమాండ్ స్పెసిఫై చేస్తే ఈ keywords ఎవరు సెర్చ్ చేసినా సరే, whoever search this content with this keyword, then for all this may come on the result. No matter whether it is coming on the top or bottom, it will available definitely. That's the reason if you search something, you are getting a lot of lists. Why? Google have crawled everything. So based on that keyword, it's getting. Now if you see what I have written in my page now, what I have written, first title I given. Okay, title HirePick solution. Next, I am just going and I am searching in Google HirePick. What it have given? It's given title. This I have made with the title. Yes or no? Next, it's giving some description. HirePick solution offer training, design, development and consulting services to independent software vendors. Where I have written in the description. How come it is coming in? Because of this command. If you are not using description, that's it. If you search only HirePick solution, title will come, link will come. Are you understanding? Title will come, link will come. That's it. Nothing will not. Nothing will come. Are you understanding? Okay. Then I am getting these many pages, right? Means these are the pages which have more search, which are having, in the search part. It's related to that one. Are you understanding? Next. Keyword. What I have used HirePick solution. If I use this keyword, what should come? I have specified. Next. I will use SharePoint 2013 corporate assignment. It will come, maybe, I am not sure where, because it will include it within the result. Because like ours is not called that many times, that may be the result, but definitely it will be available within the Google result. Are you understanding? So how many people? If people, this is okay. You don't need to worry about the crawling. That will take care of the search engine optimization, SEO, search engine, SEO, search engine optimization. They will have some tools. Same thing, 100 or times it will search. Then automatically what will happen? That will come into search. Okay, that's how it will come. Not by people search. There is two types of search. If people are keep searching, it will also come onto the top. Or some tools are there. It will generate the same search, it will do 100 times. Then automatically, daily they will be doing. Okay. That is how the results will come in. On daily basis it will change. Online research. If Paytm people are not using searching and optimization, automatically some other tool will do that one and it will come into the company. Are you understanding? So like this, searching and optimization will work to give you the result. What is the base for the searching engine? This head of that particular page. Anyway, title we have already said. Not head keywords is the base. Are you understanding? So how to write that one? So what is the advantage of meta tagging? To discuss something about the page. So meta name equal to description. What is the one? Content. Okay, you can write something. This is discussing about people first with which tag is should available in the result. Meta name equal to keyword. If you understand as an HTML developer, you should know this all things to come into the result. So this you can take as mandatory. Actually, this under not here. Okay, but try to have it as mandatory. Content what I will give. Link. So, like multiple queries you can use. Are you understanding? Then it will available. If any people use this keyword, automatically it will look for the matched one and it will give you the song. Or if it contains, then at least it will. Okay, this is about meta tag. So what is meta mean? Metadata means it's a short discussion about the large data. Okay, that we are using in multiple perspectives. Meta name, description about the page, keyword. Can I write anything else? Yes. I will write about the author who have developed. Meta name. I can write my name. Then understand what else you can write me. Description keyword, author, name of the author. Next. One more is left. Generator means what is the editor you have used. What is the editor we have used to develop this site? Generator means editor here. Here it is front page. Editor means here what is the editor? Notepad. See, we were editing in Notepad, right? Are you understanding? Why this is needed is I'll tell you. See, sometimes some Dreamweaver or some third-party software server, if you develop code there, it may vary from the Notepad. Are you understanding? I just want to know what is the right one you have done for the development, because these two are useful for the people who are coming newly into the company. See, I am the developer who have developed code and I have left the company. And you are coming as a new developer and you are saying you didn't understand what was this page. Then at least you can know who have developed and to whom we need to contact about this page. So that this will help. Next, template development. In which tool you have done? Notepad. Even he will try to do a Notepad. Or if you would have used Dreamweaver or something, use that one. He will use that one. So for all references, even without this also HTML page will run. Even without it also HTML page will run. But what is the advantage of this one? This title meta description keyword will be useful for giving the, helping out in Google search results. But these two are useful for the better understanding about the product or for better communication between the old developer and the new developer. Are you understanding? Okay. Next. One more thing, meta you can use for one more purpose. Did you ever seen in some of the websites, If you go to the larger function, they will give one pop-up. This flag is closed. My flag is moved to another place. It will automatically redirect within 5 seconds. Did you see such kind of thing? Means you would have not browsed more websites. Okay? Like if you go for some shop or somewhere, if the shop is moved, they will keep a board. The shop is moved to somewhere. Because of getting price, they are doing the same way. Some of the good websites, unfortunately due to that, they will have moved into the another domain where they will be getting the hosting at very less cost. Are you understanding? Then I don't want to lose my client because they are very much familiar about the old domain. Then they is available for the new domain as well, right? So in that situation, immediately if it closes, then they will not know where to go. So then you should give a message on the page note saying that this website is closed and I have moved that one to this place. So it will automatically redirect to the page within 5 seconds. Okay? So how come, and one more example. In cricket website, you will see cricket score and all. After 5 seconds, automatically it will refresh. Auto laser refresh. So this all we can do with better. Like how means, see, I want to go to Google automatically after 5 seconds. Then we have this code. So where it needs to go means, I'll tell you. Meta, the tag name is Meta. HTTP equal to refresh. What should be done? Refresh. Cricket score, imagine. How many seconds? For 5 seconds. And okay. So now I am just going here. Okay, now people can see after 5 seconds what will happen. See, automatically refreshing or not, in cricket websites and all they will have you. You don't need to worry about the timing. After 5 seconds automatically it will only refresh. Okay, this also we can do by meta tag. Next, one more thing. The first one I have told. My website has moved to somewhere. After 5 seconds automatically it will redirect. So there, message you can write on the page in a div or somewhere. But who will take the responsibility of moving me? This code only. Semicolon, the URL. Now see, automatically after 5 seconds, it will go to my, you can observe here. It's going to the website after 5 seconds. You understand? Okay, these two things. One is you can keep refreshing after 5 seconds or 10 seconds. One more is after 5 seconds you can move to somewhere automatically. And understanding? Then they will use for some 10 days, then automatically they will close. Because they want the client. They don't want to lose the client. So this is how meta tag we can use. That's it. So what we have discussed today, we have discussed about the HTML inner table, list concept, then meta tag. Meta we can use for description, keyword, author, generator, and for auto refreshing pages. Are you understanding? This is about meta tag, inner and HTML inner table and list. Okay, I am stopping here. And tomorrow I am giving one homework for you people. Prepare one exam mark list. Okay. Student name and math subject all you can find. And even I have given homework. If it is completed, if not, you just do and complete the mark list. Okay, and one more thing actually, I want background color as well here. If P is pass. Are you understanding? If P is pass, is green, tail is red. Where you can view, wherever you can view background color means to the CD and table. do that one. Validation. On the top of the table you should write 35 marks. More than 35 to 6 something grade you can select. So I will come with the student name, math, physics, chemistry, total, average, prepare at least for 10 students and come with this status diagram. Okay, in such situation, this color will be, if I write black, it will not be look good. So what color we should use? White. And this white will be very good. In such situation, what you should use? Font color equal to, and you should end here only, right? Because if you are not ending, it will go to another ratio. Font will do that. Okay? So, I am stopping here.